All right, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Had a great day. Just want to go over a few stocks I'm watching here for tomorrow. What you're looking at here is the trade is Pro AI. We have three AIs and a host of other stock scanners and different settings in here that you can allows you to see any stock that's moving, different setups, swings, day trading, investing, what's going on pre-market, post-market, even with cryptocurrencies. Um, Anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that in case you've never seen this before. The link's down below there in the description. These are a few stocks I'm looking at for tomorrow. I'm going to go over just four that I'm interested in. The first one is going to be I here, Intellistat. We're getting up here to all-time highs. I mean, we're up, 880% on the year. I mean, we're getting a little extended here. RSI is getting up to, about 80. So we're still plenty of room to push higher. We just got to keep a tight stop. As we've moved from basically down here at $22 last Tuesday, all the way up to $33.80 today. Our AI is indicating here a smart stop at $33. Now you put your stop wherever you want to put it, but it is based upon all the other factors using the artificial intelligence that we have. It's saying the stop should be there at $33. Which I would probably give it a little more than that, maybe at least $1. But again, we are getting a little extended. So the low today was down here at 31. That's kind of a big stop. Again, use your own judgment and risk management to place your stop as you see fit. Another stock, definitely I'm on, on the watch list for tomorrow is USO. Of course, that's United States Oil. This thing's just been ripping higher here over the last month with the oil price continuing to make newer highs. We're up, 33% on the year. So, we do have some resistance up above here. I can't see it here on this chart, but anyway, it's at 1620. So as long as oil can continue to push higher, I really think that this thing has a good chance of, going much higher as well. But this thing, it doesn't have a huge ATR or average true range. So today, other than this little washout low down there, so 1580 to 1620, it moved 40 cents today. But oil U is another good one. I like playing that intraday. That was a nice play. It doesn't trade a whole lot of volume. Today is 298,000 on just a little above average. We'll say average is say around what's there, on about 150, 200,000. So this thing actually moved up $2.93 today. So it's been making a nice move with oil as well. So I mean, in the last where are we at in the last 5 days on USO, or excuse me, oil U, I don't have it. So 20 days we're up 32%, up 96% on the year. So when oil's moving up, that's definitely a good ETF to use. Another one, the opposite of that, is the oil D, which is the 3 times short crude oil ETF. So obviously oil was moving up today, so this oil D, the inverse, obviously it moved down to the downside. And you can see kind of with oil this year, or just over the last 3 or 4 months, what's happened. We went up here from on oil D $29, and now we're down here around 14. So let's get back to our stocks that we're looking again for tomorrow. Another one here is FAMI. Let's see, there it is right there. FAMI. This is a Chinese stock, but up a solid 5% today. You can see this move here from basically $3 all the way up here to 560. So we passed that little resistance that we had, this little tick there. So 561, I would look for this to push to $6 soon. Again, doesn't make a huge move today. I'll move 26 cents. But, it's one you can size up on a smaller stock. You can take more shares, bigger share size. We did trade on almost 3 times relative volume today. So, I think with some increase in volume, we can go ahead and get up here to $6 shortly. Possibly tomorrow we'll see what the market, what it brings. EYPT, this one just continues to push higher and higher. We had a little pullback the other day, but we are still moving higher. Let me see if I find it. There it is, EYPT. I mean, since January 1st, we're up 250%. Unbelievable. And only 2.6% of the float sold short, so not a lot of people were betting against it. I mean, this thing was down here at $1 not too long ago, back in what was it, April. I mean, I talked about this one last week, and again, just it continues to defy the odds. So I think we can get up here to $4 shortly, but we need to break the recent highs of $3.94 from a few days ago. But we need some monster volume to come in again. It's not making huge moves every day, but percentage basis, we're doing pretty well. But we need some more volume here to come in and push it past 4. Um, you know, there are plenty more stocks to watch depending on what you're looking at. These are the ones that I'm eyeballing for tomorrow. Obviously we had a lot of other strong closures. BHCs, the old VRX. They used to be Valiant Pharmaceuticals. They changed their name in July. Again, this one's making another nice move, continue to push higher over this recent resistance here up above 27.79 and closed up here at 28.34. Let's look at a couple more here. Those are the 4 main ones I wanted to go over. There's FAMI again. Again, this is a custom scan that I created that allows you to see the strong stocks that are closing at or near highs and have been moving up on a nice trend here lately. And so it gives me results, and I can do some analysis and decide which ones I want to take a look at. And here's EYPT again on the scan. LMT, yeah, Lockheed Martin. Not necessarily a strong close, but it was a stronger on the day, a nice uptrend. So that's why this one's on the scan, not necessarily because it closed strong, but just a little pullback. Had a nice little move here from 335 and all the way up to 351. So a little pullback here this afternoon. Definitely, excuse me, the defense sector is obviously still strong. So anyway, that's all I had. If you haven't subscribed or want to see more videos like this, please give the video a like. I look forward to talking with you guys soon. Thanks a lot.